So what we're going to do is work mainly at the top of the machine. The first thing you're going to need is a spool of thread. You're going to take that spool and you are going to put it right on top and through the holder. You're going to take the cap, and the flat part of the cap will go against the spool of thread to keep it in place. Next, we are going to start looking at the arrows to tell us what's happening. We're going to follow those dotted arrows, not the solid ones. Dotted ones are for bobbin winding. That arrow is telling us to put it through that metal arm right there, and then through the discs. So let's look at that a little closer from a different angle so you understand. We're going under the arm. And if you look, that dark line, that's the discs. The thread is going in between the discs. You're going to feel the difference as you pull the thread. So we pull the thread through the discs. And then we get our bobbin out and we thread it from inside and up. That's hard to see, so let me show you that again. So this is a bobbin. Ours are plastic. There's 2 holes, and we are going to take our thread and we are going to put it through the top hole. Sometimes it's extremely frustrating, and it's a little bit of a process to get it through that hole. However you do it works for me. But if you look, the thread needs to go through and up. So now we're ready to put that bobbin onto the spindle. We're going to move the spindle to the right. So just a reminder, that spindle moves to the right. And if you look at the screen, it shows a bobbin. It says it's ready to spin the bobbin. If that doesn't show up, you're not ready. You're going to take your string, your thread, you're going to hold it, and you're going to press that black pedal and watch it go. You're going to keep spinning it, keep winding the thread until the thread hits the stopper. You'll know you're done when the bobbin slows down or stops completely. Once the bobbin stops, you're going to slide it to the left. And before you take it off, let's look. You see how it's straight up and down? It's not fat. You're going to pop it off the spindle. You're going to cut that thread so you have 2 spools now. And you're ready to thread the machine.